Event Hub, it serves as a robust platform for big data streaming and ingesting massive volume of events. Designed to handle a flood of data, it processes potentially millions of events every second. Its capabilities include the acquisition, preservation, and playback of telemetry and event stream information sourced from a multitude of active contributors and simultaneously from any other producer as well. Event Hubs, they make this data accessible for an array of stream processing systems and analytical tools. And this is where in the end I have put together a diagram where it shows that how exactly you can use Event Hub, which is a very classic use case of using Event Hub in this scenario. The service, it stands out as by providing a unified solution for quick access to data for immediate processing. So let me go back again to the portal. I'll show you how to go about creating the Event Hub here. Seems I have this created for you, one sample Event Hub. And this is like the name you saw, but the process is the same. But just for the sake of it, I'll go about create a new Event Hub here. And you could see there is a unique name I'll have to give. And this is not global. I could just give any name over here. Now I could give it sample hub 2. And this is the partition count, right? As you see, you'll have to provide the different partitions that are required as part of the Event Hub setup. The retention setting, the different policies you can provide as part of the Event Hub setting. And these are the different options. You have delete and you have compact. And how many hours you can retain the Event Hub out here. The capture scenario is there. It enables to capture automatically the different data streaming in Event Hub to Azure Blob Storage or Data Lake Storage account. So you have this option, and once you do this, you could do a review and create. Just show here, right, which is part of the setting. So this is the namespace that I had created earlier. And in this namespace, you could go and create a sample Event Hub as part of that setting. But first, you will have to create a namespace as part of it. So I hope this helps as part of it. And you see the GUI is kind of similar with what we saw in the service bus. It is the standard options that are out here, except that there is no publish and subscribe because there is no queues and topics. Because this is again, Event Hub. It's not the messaging bus that is there, but it's something where you have event bus hubs, you have the schema registry, and you have these options out here in the portal that you can come and check it out. So let's go back to the presentation. Now, what are the distinct features of Event Hub? It is a very ultra-low latency for rapid data handling, and which is where I had put it is very applicable for big data scenarios which stream billions of data per second, per minute, which have a high requirement, with throughput requirement. Very applicable for telemetry scenarios as well. There is a huge capacity to absorb and process an immense number of events each second. There is a guaranteed delivering of event at least once. Now, once it's delivered, it's delivered. The consumer has to be able to, is responsible for processing in case and any exception handling that is required.